In this video, we will learn how to make use of the TVM row of the Texas calculator. So the third row in this calculator is popularly called as the TVM row, and it allows you to take the present value and the future value of certain set of numbers. So we'll learn this with the help of few examples. Let us say your present value is 100. The interest rate at which you're investing your money is 10%, and you're investing for a period of 3 years. You're interested in knowing what would be the future value of this amount. So on the Texas calculator, when you start using the TVM row, the first thing you always do is to clear the TVM memory. So just in case if there has been anything saved previously, that needs to be deleted. So we press second and then we press clear TVM, so that if there is anything that was saved, that gets deleted. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to press second. I'm going to press clear TVM. Once this is done, then I will start entering the data into the calculator. So first I'm going to enter 100. Then I'm going to press the PV button. So that's present value. Then I'm going to enter 10. And I'm going to press the IY button, interest or yield, so that's IY. Then I'm going to press 3, which is my frequency, and hit the N button. And since I want to know what is the future value, I will press compute and I will press future value. So compute future value, and it gives you your answer as 133.1. Now the reason why answer is negative is because since your present value was inserted as a positive number, your future value had to come out as a negative number. Now we can do this the other way around as well, which means we can insert future value N IY and we can figure out what could be the present value. So let me quickly hide this number. So let's start doing it. The first thing that we'll have to press is second clear TVM. Now to clear my screen and come on the main screen, I'm pressing second and quit. So second quit. Then I'm going to press second and clear TVM. This is second, this is clear TVM. Then I will start entering the numbers. So 133.1 future value. Observe, I did not enter this as a negative number, not necessary. What I know is that if I've entered future value as a positive number, my present value will come out to be negative number. Just the signs are going to be opposite. So 133.1 future value, 3 is N, 10 is IY, compute present value, and it will give you present value as negative 100. But we know that it is just 100. The calculator is going to invert the signs for us. Now what if we have present value? What if we have future value but we do not have N? Can we then find it? Yes, we can. So let's see how to do it. Second clear TVM, second quit to clear the screen, 133.1 future value, then 10 IY, 100 present value. But if I insert 100 as present value, my calculator is going to show an error, because then what will happen is present value and future value will end up having the same sign. So therefore I'm going to say 100. Then using this button, I'm going to make 100 negative. So that's negative 100 present value. And then I'm going to compute N, and compute N would give me a value of 3. In the same fashion, now we will practice and see if we can find out the interest rate using the same calculator. So second quit, second clear TVM, 133.1. This time I will make the future value negative, 100 present value, 3 as N, compute IY, and it gives us 10. That's how we make use of the TVM row. In the next video, we will discuss how to make use of this button called PMT.